Hi everyone, how are you all? Okay, so as you know, I do a lot of the Q&As for the webinars, and some of the questions we still get asked is, what is 3 and free? Okay, so 3 and it is free. So I'm going to run over this now for you to hopefully just clarify and clear it up so you know exactly how it's all going to work. First thing I need to say is, regardless of how many you have in your team, whether you're a founder or you are a reseller, everybody has to pay for their first month's subscription, and that is going to be between $100 and $250 for your first month. Everybody pays this regardless whether you have 0 or 100 or 1,000, etc. in your team. So let's clarify that and get that out the way. When we come to the second month, okay, so that is your second payment for the subscription, this is where it all changes. Now, if you have 3 founders or resellers on your first level, level 1, then all the commissions from those 3 people, okay, will pay for that month's subscription. So this is month 2, okay, plus actually some change as well. So that is where you get your 3, and it is costing you 0 because you will be paying that second month's subscription from the 3 that are on your first line, okay. So but they have to be on your level, your first level. You can have 3 on your team, but if you've got 1 on your level 1 and 2 below, this won't count. So you need to have 3 on that first level. Now, some other people have said, what about customers? Okay, customers will count to your commission payments, okay, but you need to have them as a reseller. I'd say, so there'll be a founder stroke reseller for it to count for the 3, and it is free. Okay, there's also going to be, I believe, maybe a bonus as well involved to have 3 on your first line as well. So this will come into play as well as when we are going forward. Now, the other question I get asked is, what happens if we do not have 3 people on our first level? What happens to my month 2 if I can't pay? Well, the answer to this is, Ash has always said, number 1 is nobody is going to be left behind. And the second thing is that he said there will be a grace period for people to accumulate that money to be able to pay for their second month. So don't forget, regardless of any of this, we all have to pay our first month number 1. Okay, this is all about so that month number 1 is the one-time out-of-pocket payment that we've always known we will have to pay. Okay, so month 2, 3, and it is free. Okay, only applies to month 2 subscription. So the grace period, we don't know how long it will be. Okay, there's been lots of talks of 14 between 2 weeks and 2 months. We don't know this for sure. Ash will tell us when we have. But what will happen during this period of grace, your account will be paused, okay? The money will stay in your account. Don't worry about anything about that at all. But your account will be paused, and you will only be able to use the free services on the OnPassive ecosystem, okay? Wait for that money to accumulate in your wallet, and then you will be able to pay your fund for that subscription. Anyway, guys, I hope that has cleared up a lot of the confusion about 3 and free. Okay, so that we now know what we have to do. So we're now waiting for Ash to come back to us so we know exactly what that subscription fee is going to be. But it's going to be between $100 and $250 for that first month's payment. Anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching. If you're watching this on YouTube, just below here is a subscription, okay, a like button like this. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe to this channel to get up-to-date videos, which I do on a regular basis. And if you are not a founder, click that link just below in the bio as well and find out why we are all so excited about OnPassive. Anyway, guys, thanks very much and bye for now.